Hello everyone, welcome to my new vlog. It's my very first vlog and I am starting my vlog in English, but I am very nervous right now because my English is not very good. But let's try in English. So right now I am in a very backward area. Actually it's my wife's parental house. So I just got married before 7 months ago in this area, and right now I just came here to get my wife with me, and let me show you how people are living in this area. So right now she is my sister and she is cooking right now. You can see here and this is a room, and in this room there are some children, or this one guy, they are watching TV shows. I think these are cartoons, and this is the kitchen of my wife's parental house, and in this room there is my wife's father, and there is a one theory in these people's minds. I will let you know later. Let me show you this one guy. He is taking shower right now here. Have a look how people are getting shower. रहमान साबन भी ला फिर एक बारी ला. I just tell him to add some soap in his body, and he is just using soap on his body. So it's my very first vlog. I am very new in this field, but I want to tell you something. It's very hard to take this decision because it's a very hard decision. Actually it's very hard to start a vlogging in front of camera because you don't know how to talk in front of mobile cam. And let's see what's happened. So this is the outside view of the house. This is you can say this one is the goat's house. I don't know what say to this. Let me show you very close view, and there are some children are playing. बकरियां कितने हैं अंदर? चाची की हाल है? ठीक ठाक. पता भी नहीं लगने देता आया भी तक. There are some goats in this house. कुत्ता भी है? कुत्ता नहीं है, बकरियां हैं. Okay, so let's have a look. This one is a train's ramp right here, and there are some children's. Oye ki hali and then car. So rest of vlog I will shoot of at the night at the evening. So let's see if this guy take a shower and he is free right now. Oh, your ass. He is my wife's brother and she is my sister. She is cooking right now. Mano, कितना time लगेगा? How much time required to cook this?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. Okay. The mouse are hanging in my belly. Okay, so we will meet at the evening. It's very hot here. It's around 43 or something degrees Celsius right now, and it's very hot here. So my mobile temperature is getting very high, so we will shoot rest of vlog at the evening when there is some cold. Okay.
A few moments later.
So as I said in the morning time, I am right now at my in-laws house. So it's a tradition in Pakistan, we don't stay very long in in-laws house. So it's my last day, and in the morning I just come from my hometown, and right now it's a night time, so I stay a full day in my in-laws house. And my wife was she was staying in her parental house for last 3 weeks, and now I am here to get him with me to back her home. So it's a night time, so I have booked my bus tickets. I have booked my bus tickets, so we are just ready to go. And as I said in the morning, I will let you know in the evening. It's a very tolerable temperature right now, because it's a evening time. It's a very much a little bit cold, you can say. Temperature is estimated, as compared to the daytime, is very low right now. As I said, in the daytime the temperature was 43, 40 or something, and right now the temperature is 25, 23. That's so it's a very good time I have spent in my in-laws village. So let me show you the village because I am right now outside of home. Let me show you the village. He is my in-law brother. He is my brother-in-law, my wife's brother. And this is the village. It's very small. It's very a little bit of this village, because there are just only, you can count the house in this village. I can say there are estimated 50 houses, right? And it's a very little village, right? So actually I like the environment. I am from a city, Gujarat city, and now I am away from my city 450 kilometers from my hometown. So it's a very good environment. I just like the children's here and the environment. It's very good environment. The peoples are very punctual here. They wake up at 5 a.m. in morning. It's a routine time, average. But in the cities, The people are waking up at 9 a.m., 10 a.m. That's so. Let me get inside the home.
2,000 years later.
हो गई शुरू. So right now I am in the house. So we are getting ready to get back to our home. So we will meet in our next vlog. So if you like my vlog and do you want this kind of vlog, so please follow and like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.